In this video, I am going to show you how to put a background image on a WordPress page. First, let's look at how the default WordPress editor does it. When you open a page in the block editor, you can select a block or the overall page settings and choose a background image. The problem is that it is a little limited. You do not have much control over positioning, overlays, or layering, and if you want to create more advanced designs, you often need extra custom CSS. Now let me show you how easy this is with Divi. Open the page where you want to add a background and enable the Divi Builder. Divi works with sections, rows, and modules, and you can add a background image to any of them. You can follow along using the link in the description. Let's start with a section. Hover over the section you want to edit and click the settings icon. Inside the background tab, you will see 4 options: color, gradient, image, and video. Click the image option, then upload or choose the image you want from your media library. As soon as you select it, the background image appears right behind the content. You can adjust how the image is displayed. For example, you can set it to cover, fit, or repeat. You can also choose the position, such as top center, bottom right, or fixed background for a parallax effect. Divi gives you visual controls so you can see exactly how it looks while you make changes. If you want to add a background image just to a row instead of the whole section, the steps are the same. Open the row settings, go to the background tab, and choose an image. This is helpful if you want one row to stand out with a different style. You can even layer colors and gradients on top of your background image. For example, you can set a semi-transparent overlay to make text easier to read. All of this can be done without any code, and you see the results instantly. When you are happy with the background, save your changes by clicking the green check mark, then update or publish your page. Now if you view the page, your background image will be live. If you'd like to try Divi yourself, click the link in the description to get it from Elegant Themes at a great price.